Welcome to my YouTube channel Learning English. Thank for watching video.
Hey Emily, how's it going?
Hi David, I'm doing well. How about you?
I'm good, thanks. Ready for practice?
Yep, I'm ready.
So, what's your name?
I'm Emily.
Do you speak English?
A little, but not very well yet.
How are you learning?
Practice every day.
Do you use Best English Online?
Yes, I practice here every day.
How do you practice?
I repeat each sentence.
Do you write them down too?
Yes, I write them in my notebook.
What do you do if you don't understand something?
I write it down and look up the meaning in the dictionary.
Have you subscribed to this channel?
Yes, I have, and you should subscribe too.
What are your hobbies?
I like playing tennis.
How many people are in your family?
There are 5 of us.
Are you married?
No, I'm single.
That's great, Emily. How long have you been learning English?
About 6 months now.
Wow, that's impressive progress. What's the hardest part for you?
Think speaking and understanding native speakers.
Yeah, that's common. Do you watch English movies or listen to music?
I try to watch movies with subtitles. It helps a lot.
Good idea. What kind of movies do you like?
I like comedies and dramas. How about you?
I enjoy action and science fiction.
Cool. Do you have any favorite actors?
Yeah, I like Tom Hanks and Emma Stone.
Oh, me too. They're very talented.
Do you practice speaking with friends or family?
Not really. Most of my family speaks only my native language.
That makes it tougher. Maybe try language exchange groups?
That's a good idea. I will look for one.
Also, try to think in English during the day.
I try, but sometimes it's hard to stop translating in my head.
It takes time. Just keep practicing.
Thanks for the encouragement. What about you? Do you speak other languages?
I speak a little Spanish.
That's awesome. How did you learn?
I took classes in school and practiced with friends.
Maybe I should try learning another language too.
It's fun and useful.
Do you like reading books in English?
Yes, I do. It's a great way to learn vocabulary.
I'm trying to read simple books now.
That's smart. What book are you reading?
Charlotte's Web. It's interesting and not too difficult.
That's a classic. Have you seen the movie?
Not yet, but I want to.
It's very good. You should watch it after reading.
I will. Do you write in English?
Sometimes, mostly emails and messages.
I want to practice writing more.
Try keeping a daily journal in English.
That sounds helpful. I will start today.
Great. What's your favorite English word so far?
I like the word serendipity. Sounds beautiful.
Nice choice. It means a happy accident or good luck.
Exactly. I want to learn more interesting words.
I can share some with you next time.
That would be amazing, thanks.
No problem. Do you like to travel?
Yes, I love it. I want to visit English-speaking countries someday.
Which countries would you like to visit?
England and the USA for sure.
Great places. Have you started saving for your trip?
Not yet, but it's on my bucket list.
That's exciting. Traveling helps a lot with language learning.
I know. I want to improve so I can talk to people easily.
You're doing really well already. Just keep at it.
Thanks, David. Your support means a lot.
Anytime, Emily. We're in this together. So, Emily, what do you usually do on weekends?
I like to relax and watch TV shows. What about you?
I usually hang out with friends or play sports.
That sounds fun. What sports do you play?
I play basketball and sometimes soccer.
I like soccer too, but I'm not very good at it.
Practice makes perfect. Do you like outdoor activities?
Yes, especially hiking and cycling.
Nice. Have you been hiking recently?
Not yet, but I'm planning a trip next month.
That's great. Where are you going?
To the mountains nearby. It's beautiful there.
Sounds like a perfect getaway.
Yeah, I'm really looking forward to it.
Do you usually go alone or with friends?
Usually with my family or friends. It's more fun that way.
Definitely. What's your favorite food?
I love pasta, especially spaghetti. What about you?
I'm a big fan of pizza.
Pizza is delicious. Do you cook at home?
Sometimes, but I'm not very good at it.
Me neither. I prefer eating out.
Same here. What's your favorite restaurant?
There's a small Italian place near my house. It's amazing.
I'll have to try it sometime.
You should. Do you like to travel by plane?
I do, but sometimes I get nervous.
Me too. I always worry about turbulence.
It's scary but usually safe.
That's true. Do you prefer beaches or mountains?
I like beaches more.
I prefer mountains. I love the fresh air.
Both are great. Maybe you'll visit a beach next time.
I hope so. What's your dream vacation?
Visiting Japan during cherry blossom season.
That sounds beautiful.
Have you ever been to a concert?
Yes, once. It was amazing.
What kind of music do you like?
I enjoy pop and jazz.
Cool. I'm into rock and blues.
We have different tastes, but music brings people together.
Absolutely. Do you play any musical instruments?
I used to play the piano, but not anymore.
That's impressive. I wish I could play something.
It's never too late to start.
Maybe I'll try guitar someday.
You should. It's fun and relaxing.
What's your favorite season?
I love spring because everything blooms.
Spring is nice, but I prefer autumn.
Colorful leaves are beautiful then.
Exactly. Do you like animals?
Yes, I have a dog.
That's awesome. What's his name?
His name is Max. He's very playful.
I love dogs. They're great companions.
Definitely. Do you have any pets?
No, but I want a cat someday.
Cats are cute too.
Do you watch sports on TV?
Sometimes, especially tennis matches.
Tennis is exciting. Who's your favorite player?
I like Serena Williams.
She's amazing.
Yes, very inspiring.
Do you like to dance?
I enjoy it, but I'm not very good.
Dancing is all about having fun.
That's true. Maybe we should dance sometime.
I'd like that.
David, have you ever tried cooking any international dishes?
Yes, I tried making sushi once. It was fun but tricky.
Sushi looks difficult. Did it taste good?
Not bad for a first try, but not perfect either.
I'd love to try making it someday.
I can share the recipe with you if you want.
That would be great, thanks.
Do you like spicy food?
Sometimes. I enjoy mild spices but not too hot.
Same here. I can't handle really spicy dishes.
What's the spiciest food you've ever eaten?
Probably spicy chicken wings. They made me sweat.
Ha, that's funny. I like to try new foods when I travel.
Me too. What's the most unusual food you've tried?
I once tried fried insects in Thailand.
Really? How was it?
Surprisingly crunchy and salty. Not bad.
Wow, you're brave.
Traveling makes you try new things.
Absolutely. Have you ever visited an English-speaking country?
Not yet, but I hope to soon.
That's a great goal. Where would you like to go first?
Maybe London. I love the history there.
London is amazing. Lots to see and do.
I want to visit the museums and parks.
Don't forget to try the traditional fish and chips.
Definitely. What about you? Any favorite places?
I love New York City. It's full of energy.
I've seen pictures. It looks exciting.
It really is. The food, the people, the culture.
Have you ever been to a festival?
Yes, last summer I went to a music festival.
That sounds fun. What kind of music was it?
Mostly rock and pop bands.
I like going to festivals too, but they can be crowded.
True, but the atmosphere is worth it.
Do you like watching movies at home or in the theater?
I prefer theaters for the big screen experience.
Me too, but sometimes home is more comfortable.
What's your favorite movie genre?
I love romantic comedies.
Nice. I'm more into thrillers.
We should watch a movie together sometime.
That would be fun. Any suggestions?
Maybe a comedy so we can laugh.
Sounds good to me.
Do you like reading magazines or online articles?
Mostly online articles. It's easy to find topics I like.
Same here. What topics interest you?
Technology, sports, and travel.
I like health and cooking articles.
That's cool. We could share articles with each other.
Great idea.
Do you enjoy learning new skills?
Yes, I love trying new things.
Like what?
Recently, I started learning photography.
That's awesome. Do you take pictures often?
I try to. It helps me see things differently.
I should try that too.
You should. It's very rewarding.
What about hobbies you want to try?
I want to learn painting.
Cool. I'd like to learn cooking better.
Maybe we can have a cooking day together.
I'd love that.
What's your favorite way to relax?
Listening to music and reading.
Same here. Music always helps me unwind.
What kind of music do you listen to when you relax?
Mostly soft jazz or acoustic songs.
Nice choices.
Do you like going to cafes?
Yes, I enjoy the atmosphere and coffee.
Me too. It's a good place to practice English too.
Exactly.
Do you have a favorite coffee drink?
I like cappuccinos.
I prefer lattes.
Good choices.
Do you think learning English helps with your career?
Definitely. It opens up many opportunities.
I feel the same way.
Keep practicing, and you'll reach your goals.
Thanks, David. Your advice is very helpful.
You're welcome, Emily. Emily, what do you usually do after work or school?
I usually relax by watching TV or reading a book. What about you?
I like to exercise or hang out with friends.
That sounds healthy. What kind of exercise do you do?
Mostly running and sometimes gym workouts.
Running is good. I try to jog sometimes.
That's great. How often do you jog?
Maybe twice a week.
Nice. It really helps with energy and mood.
I agree. What do you usually eat for breakfast?
Usually cereal or toast with eggs.
I like oatmeal or fruit in the morning.
Healthy choices. Do you drink coffee or tea?
I prefer tea, especially green tea.
I'm more of a coffee person.
Coffee gives you a good energy boost.
Yes, but too much can be bad.
That's true. Do you like cooking breakfast?
Sometimes, but I'm not very good at it.
Me neither. I usually keep it simple.
What's your favorite dish to cook?
I like making pasta dishes.
Pasta is delicious and easy to make.
Yes, perfect for a quick meal.
Do you enjoy eating out or cooking at home more?
I like a mix of both. Cooking at home is healthier.
True, and eating out is fun for special occasions.
Exactly. Do you like spicy food?
Yes, but only mildly spicy.
Same here.
Have you ever tried any unusual foods?
Once I tried seaweed salad.
Interesting. Did you like it?
It was okay, a bit different.
I've tried some exotic fruits while traveling.
Which ones?
Durian and dragon fruit.
I love dragon fruit, but durian is too strong for me.
Yeah, durian has a very unique smell.
Do you like to watch sports?
Yes, especially football and basketball.
I like watching tennis and gymnastics.
Those are exciting sports too.
Have you ever played tennis?
Just a little, but I'm not very good.
Maybe we could play sometime.
I'd like that.
What kind of music do you like?
Mostly rock and pop.
I prefer pop and classical music.
Classical music is relaxing.
Yes, it helps me focus when I study.
Do you listen to music while studying?
Sometimes. Depends on the subject.
Me too.
What's your favorite movie?
I really like Inception.
That's a good one. I like romantic comedies more.
We have different tastes, but that's okay.
Absolutely. What kind of books do you read?
Mostly science fiction and thrillers.
I like novels and biographies.
Reading is a great way to improve language skills.
Yes, I'm trying to read more in English.
Keep it up. It really helps.
Thanks, David.
Do you like traveling?
Yes, I want to visit many countries someday.
Me too. What's your dream destination?
Japan because of the culture and food.
Great choice. I want to visit Italy.
Italy is beautiful.
Have you learned any other languages?
A little French, but I'm not fluent.
That's cool. I'm learning Spanish.
Maybe we can practice together sometime.
That would be fun.
Do you have any pets?
No, but I'd like a dog.
Dogs are wonderful companions.
Definitely.
What's your favorite hobby?
Playing guitar and reading.
I like painting and cooking.
Those are great hobbies.
Yes, they help me relax.
Me too.
It's nice talking with you, David.
Same here, Emily. Let's chat again soon.